Yesterday afternoon, a girl walked by the window and stopped for seashells. I was wrenched out of 2 months of calm. Nothing more than that, certainly. Nothing ecstatic or even interesting, but very silent and even as those periods have become. I had been breathing in and out and in, calmly, grateful for once to do just that, staring at the waves plopping in, successful at thinking almost nothing, handling easily the 3 memories I've manufactured, when that girl stooped for seashells. There was something about her large breasts under her faded blue t-shirt, the quick way she bent down, her firm legs in their rolled-up white jeans, her thin ankles. It was her feet, actually. They seemed for a brief, painful moment to be elegant. It was that thin-boned, brittle movement with her feet that did it, that touched some spot that I had forgotten to smother. The way those thin feet remained planted, yet shifting slightly in the sand as she bent down quickly for a clamshell, sent my heart thumping, my mouth dry, no exaggeration. There was something gay and insane about that tiny gesture because it had nothing to do with her. I went to Smitty's, a roadhouse a quarter of a mile down the beach. When I came back, she was gone. I could not sit in my room. The walls closed in on me. I could see the walls closing in on me, and my situation, if that is what it is, a situation, seemed so dull and hopeless, this cheap, thrown-together guest house of